If you look at the entire format of the Parents' Day Carnival, you would find that the format is broadly divided into 4 areas. The first area is wherein the parent enters and wants to register on Parentune or register for something else which is happening in the event. The second part of the entire Parents' Day Carnival is the children's activity area, and children's activity area has very carefully chosen few activities around musical storytelling, book reading by famous authors of India, and drawing, coloring. So this engages the children.
Children are different in these times, and every child is different. So raising them in a proper manner is required in these times.
In today's context, if we see, we are facing different problems than what our parents was facing while bringing us up.
Then comes in the third area, which is the experts one-on-one area. And again, for an expert one-on-one, as per the schedule of various experts, one could register, a parent could register on the registration table.
If you go to schools and if you really approach them, you know, they always say something very sweet. So definitely we would like to have somebody or some place where we can, you know, talk and we can really judge on the other side of, you know, the coin, which is really not shown.
Then there's the workshop area, which is the fourth area, where all the workshops, panel discussions, you know, discussions with parents on a round table, all of that happens in the workshop area.
बेटे आप 2 जनों का खाना खा रहे हो ना, आपको पपीता नहीं खाना चाहिए, आपको अपना ध्यान रखना है, पूरा 2 जनों का खाना खाना है आपने।
पर मुझसे खाया नहीं जाता, मैं नहीं खा सकती। मैंने डॉक्टर से बात करी थी, डॉक्टर ने भी बोला है कि 2 जनों का खाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, जितनी भूख लगी उतना खाना है, ज़्यादा नहीं खाना है।
हमारे टाइम पे तो सब यही कहते थे 2 जनों का खाना खाना है। अब आप खुद ही देखो ना, आप वो बेबी है तो 2 जनों का खाना तो बनता है।
It is a myth that you have to eat so much food that it is sufficed for 2 people. It's very easy to say eat eggs, eat fish, drink lot of milk, but especially in the first trimester it's very difficult to tolerate anything of this kind. So in the first trimester it is important that you eat what you feel like to be able to retain.
There is absolutely no scientific proof that watching too much of television or doing too much of iPad or PSPs and all those things will cause your child to start wearing glasses. A proper checkup is important, and these gadgets have no role in development of a power.
For the child, egg is a very important protein. Egg white is also a powerhouse of protein. But it's like if you give the entire thing, it's even more potent.
Yeah.
So it's just that, and then there are other forms also like curd, buttermilk, then you have paneer, then you have soya products, all like nuggets.
If you're telling the child not to do something, that's only half communication. You need to also tell the child what to do
and what to do
in its place. So if I'm telling the child don't put the bottle to the mouth, you will also tell the child what has to be done after that. Yeah. Either you take the doll play,
take it in a glass.
Take it in a glass. Yeah. Then only does the communication complete.
There are different techniques to raise a toddler and different techniques to raise a teenager. So the workshop was very specific and it enlightened us a lot, and we're looking forward to a whole lot of workshops.
One thing which I learned from there is that please don't force the kids to do things. Like for myself, I'm pushing my kid to do this. That was actually wrong. But now I learned that don't push him and do whatever he wants to, so that he will be upbringing in the future in very good manner.
I felt that the time duration of the workshop was a little less, like it could be 2 or 2.5 hours. So I think the workshop helped us really well in, yes, all that I figured it out in 3 words is keep your calm while parenting. That's very, very important.
It was really very good, very informative. As somebody said, it was right information on the right time, and I'm really very happy to attend this. I've got answers to all my queries. I mean, which I used to surf the net and read the books. I've got all the answers here.
It's excellent. feel it's a very excellent interaction. This is a known questions but unknown solutions. Everybody feels this question but solutions, everybody will be giving their own solution, but this is a common platform. We understand how to understand the psychology of a child and how to deal with a child. It's an excellent workshop, I can tell.
Good people to teach us all these things.
You're doing very well. Keep it up.
It's really worth coming here, and at least once everybody should come, and I know once they come, they will always come.
We are what we repeatedly do, and parenting hence is not an act, it's a habit.